Special vanishing points. Another kind of special vanishing points. Well, these vanishing points must be really special since I'm doing so much stuff with them. Special vanishing points off the horizon. You can actually execute this methodology without using specifically the horizon line. They don't necessarily have to work off your horizon line. You can move the horizon, your line, whatever line it's intersecting it with. You can intersect it with a vertical line. I'm going to demonstrate with a vertical line. And I will use this to demonstrate breaking up repetitive structures such as windows and fences and telephone poles and stuff like that. These can use multiple special vanishing points to accommodate for the different repetitive elements. Multiple special vanishing points. I will demonstrate. Guess I could have made that text a little bit smaller. So here's my horizon line. There's my vertical horizon, and all the special VPs are going to intersect this line. So then this would be a left or right VP. The right VP can be over here somewhere, it doesn't really matter. VP, vanishing point, left and right vanishing points. We have like a line going from here to outer space, and another line going from here to outer space. And I don't know, maybe have a line over here. I don't know, here. Let's say the line is here. The line is here. All right, savvy? So this is just one line, and I'll have two different vanishing points. Here's one special vanishing point, and I'll put another special vanishing point between here. All right. Now, with one special vanishing point, one special vanishing point will intersect the line as such, and that special vanishing point meets the left and or right VP somewhere, creating, and that's where the next line, the next edge would be, wherever the special vanishing point and the VP lines meet. Right? Now this is one pattern. Here comes the second pattern from the second vanishing point. That could be like a window, and this could be like a wall. Now you alternate between the different special VPs, the special vanishing points, and each special VP, special vanishing point, will manage a different element, such as a window or a wall. The lower one will be the wall, higher one will be the window. Learning about this stuff and drawing with this stuff is basically like training wheels. Eventually you sort of internalize it a bit, and you'll be able to draw this stuff without really thinking about it. And if something looks wrong to you, you can figure out how to get it right. You can switch back to these basics to help figure it out and fix it. So, yeah, based on this will be my guide. Window, special, VP, VP. I need a shortcut for this button. So this would like lead over here, and that would be like the edge of the building. And I don't know, maybe this is the window, so this is the wall. So maybe I want to put in another wall length here. It doesn't really matter. So maybe here, and I don't know. Let's say there's like another building somewhere over here. It doesn't matter. The distance doesn't really matter. So maybe like over here. And this building is beginning to like stretch off into infinity. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have done the building like that. Because now it's like starting to like stretch off into infinity. And this is supposed to be a building, right? So where's the VP for this building go? It goes over here. You go over there. This is another building. You also go over here. So maybe like so, and this will be like the edge of a building. You could probably use that method, that technique, to like break up these things here, but I'm just gonna like freehand it. There are my guides, there are my windows, and there should be like an edge in here and an edge in here since we're looking in and out, so it kind of like pops in. And maybe there's like, and I guess there should be like an edge over here, a slight edge over here too, because this part of the window is like below the horizon line, right? So you should be able to see the bottom there. And yeah, some stuff over there. And what else? If there are any other windows, it'd probably be around here. Lines over here for your bricks. I'm just gonna like suggest them. They don't have to be like amazing or perfect. Just like suggest them, and it should look okay. Some reflections for your windows. Add like something over here. This doesn't look right. Probably wasn't a good idea for me to freestyle this. And then there's be like another building over here somewhere in the back. Yeah, I don't like the way this building is intersecting this other guy here, because it's creating some kind of a tangent. So maybe if I like cut down a bit, I can reduce the tangent, make it like not so bad. Yeah, something like that. Just keep like chiseling away at it, adding more details. You get the idea. So there's like one example of how like it can be like used. Like special VPs can be like used to like add like windows and stuff. And things like that. You just like add to it.